Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can we share a video. Remember to subscribe. Now what share. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. It was Nigerian Egusi soup. This is my first time of trying this soup. Came out perfect and the taste is really great. You will love it if you give it a try. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Uko description box na ingredients ni na ede. Ewo ho. Yes, start. Ube blend wo onion, pepper, bell pepper, tomatoes. We are now we see in chain. We ye cook chop spinach. We ye nam no medikan ye de anu adeda. We dey see in chain. We ye stock fish. Me soaking with hot water. We be mana ye mere. Then no so we dey see in chain. What about dry fish so with the hot water ebe soaking na we dey see in chain. Ansa na yato aso. We dey see in chain we no. Now the saucepan esi ja so. Edo na wo dey palm oil egu mu. Edo pe na wo dey onion watwitwa so aka ho. Na wache mu kakra. Ansa na yato aso. Emra wache mu kakra we na wo dey blended tomato mixture na wo yesi wo no. We hwe de egu mu. Na no so weja memu ache kakra. Ansa na yato aso. Tembia wo hwa no abie su no wanum se de ase e de enhye. Ekosita ma emu bere kakra. We ye egusi. Me de enso kakra begum na mahono. Na me de esi nchen. Emra de esi nchen na wakofo ye no so. Na wakohwe. Se na sese ye emu ache kama. Uwi a na wo de egusi na wo ye si nchen no watete e de agumu. Uwi a no wakata so na walo eja ne se de ase ya nhyi. De ntem anum se me pese e den agusi ne bayie. Uwi a no wabie su na wanumu. Asa ne ato aso. Wanu mawie no, na wo de crayfish powder egumu. One mixing it together. O stock fish na de si nche no. Na wa be hwe eden egumu. Dry fish na no so de si nche na no so de begumu. One mixing it together. Uwia meat na wo no aye ne ho stock no na wa hwe ede egumu. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Uwia no akata so na to ne boaben. Ho anu abie su no wanum se de ase e de enhye. Makaka na be now the spices. Egumu, salt to taste, aka ho, one mixing it together. We are now do meat no, egumu, one mixing it together. Yap macho se ndedi kan a wo hwe video a. Mema rem to subscribe. Na wa share, na wa like. No emi notification bell no. Say the video bia beto wa wo side ebeka. We are now the spinach no egumu. One mixing it together. Akakra na ben. Aben na watwe na waserve. Me ye na me taste no. It tastes really great. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our egusi soup recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.